Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. MissBT here, coming to you guys today with a clean with me master bedroom video. Look at this hot mess. Hot mess. So if you are interested in seeing how I got to this, keep on watching. Alright, so first we're going to start with the bed. So we actually have a king size bed, and if you watched our vlog, I'll link that down below. We actually recently got a box spring. So now our bed sits nice and high, and oh, I'm so happy. But we have a tucked in needle mattress, so you can see it's really not that thick, but it's so comfortable. So of course, just take everything off and make up the bed per usual. I'm really particular-ish, I guess you could say, in like how the bed is made up. So I prefer to do it versus Bear. It's all good. He tries. He does try. Yes, you counted 2, 4, 6, 8, 10,000 pillows on our bed because obviously I am a pillow collector. But those 3 white big fluffy pillows, they are 24 by 24 and they are actually from Home Goods. I believe they were about $29.99 a piece. So not too bad. They don't shed and they are super comfortable. Onto the side tables. So I'm just gonna go ahead and clean this up a little bit and put away all of his little miscellaneous jewelry and go ahead and clean the surface. So I use Method to clean the surfaces of our side tables and our dresser. These are actually from IKEA and I haven't had any issues with using this to clean it. So yeah, we should be good. So as a part of my cleaning routine, I do like to shred mail. As you can see, I have a stack that is just waiting on me. So I just went ahead and took some time to get this done. So our dresser catches everything, y'all. Catches everything. So I am just going through with my little handy dandy basket and removing everything off the dresser because it will not return. Some of that stuff needs to be shredded, some of it just needs to be put away, so I'll figure that out later. Alright, so off to our little sitting area in the room. I'm just going to go ahead and move some of this luggage out of the way. I recently came back from a trip and yeah, I have a really bad habit of living out of my suitcase for an extra week. So I'm just going to go ahead and clean up this little space over here. Bear's so sweet and letting me actually kind of have this blush color in our room. I know, it makes it so feminine, but he sleeps comfortable at night, so he doesn't trip. So now that I have my little sitting area all nice and picked up, I went ahead and lit my candle, so nothing light on fire. And this one is just Focus, the aromatherapy candle from Bath & Body Works. So I'm sure everyone loves vacuuming, right? So I do like to just put down some of the little powder. I think it's the Arm & Hammer pet odor one because, you know, we do have 2 cute little puppies and they live in our room. So I want to make sure we don't have any pet smell in here. And this stuff works so good. Like you can spray it down or I guess sprinkle it down and it makes the entire room smell so clean and refreshed. So finally all done. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, it just warms my heart to see how clean this room is. And don't worry guys, my room is still this clean right now. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I have tons of videos for you guys. Comment down below what you would like to see next. I'm super excited to kind of bring this content to you all, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your week, and I'll see you in the next video.